Hi, I'm Mike from 3D-MOM. In this video I want to show you how to become a creator and the creator functionalities. So, how do you become a creator for 3D-MOM? First you go to my website and you can click here on For Creators. Here on this table you will see the benefits of being a creator, and then you can join me on Patreon. When you have joined me, you can go in 3D-MOM to Settings, Creator Settings, and here you have a Patreon button with which you can log in to your Patreon. If you see the screen, then it was successful. You can click back, and now you will have here a displayed username and a displayed email. You can change this now, and this will be the names and emails which will be stated on if you export models, then people will see your username and your email, and this email should be the email the people can write to you if they have problem with an export. But get the other possibility is that you become a creator otherwise, not with a Patreon subscription. Then I will give you a product key that you can enter via product and enter the key here. This should have the same effect. After you did that, you should be able to select here now a logo or a background. I will, as a sample model, I will have an elemental mud from Bite the Bullet, and first I have to orient it. And then you would also get a customized style here, but for that you will need to provide me with your company name and how the style should look like. And I will set that up, and then you would be able to use it here. I will just, let's say this is now my personal style. Just cancelled the render because I had a different logo selected. Okay. So this is the e-taster style, which is free for all beta testers. And I can select a logo now. Let's Boost my company logo. And you can, it will always be on the right upper corner. And I can select, let's render it first. So here you see the logo now. And you can change the alpha value between 0 and 1. If we want to make the logo very transparent, we select a small number. If you will see here now that the logo is very transparent. You can also change the scale, so now it is kind of big. If we go to scale 0.5 and let's say an alpha from 0.3. We have it smaller here in the corner. Let's go to 0.6, I think. And I make a render from the preview by clicking on this image. Okay, that's okay for now. We could also add here a background. Look file. Should be a PNG file. Don't know if that will be. So here we have our background. And you can change this for a poster, for the thumbnail, and for the video. And let's make the render. Here we have our finished render. I can open the file now if I want. If you want the background to be over the whole image, you would need to make a square. And we can also make a thumbnail by activating this button and rendering either here or here. I will now fast forward a bit. Okay, now it is finished. And the thing I want to show you is that if you want to show your patrons or tribe members a preview of a model, Then you can also right click on the thumbnail and choose create GIF. And then could just create the post, an image, and then they can see your model. Okay, that was it with the rendering. In order to make an export of models, you first need to finalize them. When they're finalized, you can select one or multiple models and right-click Export Selected Models. You would need to give it the title collection. And if you give me a company name, I can add it to the list, and then you can also select a logo. The logo will be used for the style. And if you check the only for subscriber checkbox, then the collection won't show up in the general import collections. And then you can select the image. So now I'm here on my mini factory page. Save this image. And we have here now, this is a collection image. Here you have to decide where to save the renders and the tags. And if you just click on Add Default Server, then it will be uploaded to my server. Here you can check which render types get uploaded. So if you uncheck the thumbnail, only the poster will be uploaded. And here you have a list of the models. Here on the right side you have a list of the archives. And we only have one because this model only has one archive. And here we need to provide source, which is my mini factory, and the download link. We just use this link here. And then you can click on, if the zip file is password protected, you need to check this one. And then we can click on finish. It's uploading the renders and tags. Doesn't need to upload files because the files are on my mini factory. And now I can copy the import link. If I open the import link, then this page will appear, and patrons and tribe members who use this link will get then this import message in 3D-MOM. and if they click import, the import will start. Okay, I think that summarizes the creator functionality for now. Thanks for listening.